In this session, we are going to learn the basics of Spanish. Let's begin. How to greet someone. How to greet someone. Let's learn how to greet someone. Okay. Cuando conoces a alguien, when you meet someone, you say, hola, hola. Hola means hello. Hola means hello. For example, hola Martin, hola Diana, hola Rosa. So hola means hello. When we meet someone, we say hola, hola. Hola means hello, hola. Now, cuando conoces a alguien por primera vez, when we meet someone for the first time, we say mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. Mucho gusto, nice to meet you. And the response would be igualmente, igualmente. That means likewise, igualmente, likewise. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. It means nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And the response will be igualmente. Igualmente. Igualmente means likewise. Likewise. The other way to say this is es un placer conocerle. The other way is es un placer conocerle. That means it's a pleasure to meet you. Es un placer conocerle. It's a pleasure to meet you. Es un placer conocerle. Conocerle. It is a politer way to say it's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. And the response will be el placer es mío. El placer es mío, which means my pleasure. El placer es mío, which means my pleasure. Now, cuando te despiertas por la mañana, when you wake up in the morning, how do you greet your parents? What do you say? You say good morning. So good morning in Spanish is buenos días. Buenos días. Repeat after me. Good morning is buenos días. Good morning is buenos días. Buenos días. When you wake up in the morning, how do you greet your parents? You say good morning. Good morning in Spanish is buenos días. Buenos días. Cuando conoces a alguien por la tarde, when you meet someone in the afternoon, how do you greet them? What do you say to them? You say good afternoon. So good afternoon in Spanish is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Repeat after me. Good afternoon is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon is buenas tardes. And antes de ir a dormir. Antes de ir a dormir, which means before going to sleep, what do you say to your parents? You say good night, right? So good night in Spanish is buenas noches. Good night in Spanish is good night in Spanish is buenas noches. Buenas noches. Good morning is buenos días. Good afternoon is buenas tardes. And good night is buenas noches. Let's revise it once again. Hello is hola. Hello is hola. Nice to meet you is mucho gusto. Nice to meet you is mucho gusto. And the response will be igualmente. Igualmente, which means likewise. The other way to say this is es un placer conocerle. Es un placer conocerle, which means it's a pleasure to meet you. And the response will be el placer es mío. El placer es mío. That means my pleasure. My pleasure. Now good morning is buenos días. Good afternoon is buenas tardes. And good night is buenas noches. Now let's learn some greetings related to Christmas, New Year and other celebrations. So how do we say Happy New Year in Spanish? How do we say Happy New Year in Spanish? Happy New Year. Happy New Year is Feliz Año Nuevo. Feliz Año Nuevo. Feliz Año Nuevo means Happy New Year. Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year. Always remember that in Spanish, adjectives are placed after the noun. Adjectives are placed after the noun. So nuevo comes after year. So Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year. Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year. How do we say Merry Christmas in Spanish? Merry Christmas. How do we say Merry Christmas in Spanish? Merry Christmas is Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Repeat after me. Feliz Navidad. How do we say Merry Christmas in Spanish? We say Feliz Navidad. And how do we say Happy New Year in Spanish? Happy New Year is Feliz Año Nuevo. Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year. The next one is, how do we say Mother's Day in Spanish? Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day is Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day is Feliz Día de la Madre. Feliz Día de la Madre. Feliz means happy. Feliz Día de la Madre. Happy Mother's Day. Feliz Día de la Madre. Happy Mother's Day. And how do we say Happy Father's Day in Spanish? Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day is Feliz Día del Padre. Feliz Día del Padre. Happy Father's Day. Feliz Día del Padre. And how do we say Happy Mother's Day in Spanish? Happy Mother's Day is Feliz Día de la Madre. Next, Happy Birthday is, how do we say Happy Birthday in Spanish? Happy Birthday is Happy Birthday. Happy Birthday is Feliz Cumpleaños. Feliz Cumpleaños. Happy Birthday. Feliz Cumpleaños. Happy Birthday. Now, si quieres felicitar a alguien, if you want to congratulate someone, you say felicitaciones. If you want to congratulate someone, you say felicitaciones. Felicitaciones means congratulations. 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 Or if someone has just done something like passing an exam, getting a new job, getting married, you say enhorabuena. Enhorabuena. Enhorabuena also means congratulations. You say enhorabuena. Enhorabuena. Enhorabuena also means congratulations. Congratulations. So happy birthday is Feliz cumpleaños. And if you want to congratulate someone, you say felicitaciones or enhorabuena. Enhorabuena. Now if you want to say very good, you want to say very good. How do we say very good in Spanish? Very good. Very good is muy bien. Muy bien. Very good. Muy bien. If you want to say good, good is bien. Good is bien. And very good is muy bien. Muy bien. If you want to thank someone, you say gracias. 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 But if you want to say thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much, you say muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. So if you want to say very good, you say muy bien. Muy bien. If you want to say good, you say bien. Bien. If you want to say thank you is gracias. Gracias. But if you want to say thank you so much is muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Ahora vamos a aprender despedidas en español. We are going to learn farewells in Spanish. The first one is, how do you say bye? How do you say bye? Bye is adios. Adios. Or you can say ciao. Adios or ciao. So bye in Spanish is adios. Adios. Or you can say ciao. Bye is also ciao. Ciao. If you want to say see you is nos vemos. See you is nos vemos. Nos vemos. If you want to say see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. You say hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. If you want to say see you tomorrow, you say hasta mañana. If you want to say see you soon, see you soon. See you soon is hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta pronto. If you want to say see you later, see you later. See you later is hasta luego. Hasta luego. See you later is hasta luego. If you want to say see you the next weekend, see you the next weekend. See you the next weekend. You'll say hasta el próximo fin de semana. Próximo is next. Fin de semana is weekend. Hasta el próximo fin de semana. Hasta el próximo fin de semana. Hasta el próximo fin de semana. Now if you want to say take care, take care. Take care is cuídate. Cuídate. Cuídate is take care. Now let's revise the despedidas once again. Let's revise farewells once again. Bye in Spanish is ciao, or you can say adios. Ciao or adios. Now if you want to say see you is nos vemos. See you, nos vemos. If you want to say see you tomorrow, so you'll say hasta mañana, hasta mañana. If you want to say see you soon, you'll say hasta pronto, hasta pronto. If you want to say see you later, you'll say hasta luego, hasta luego. If you want to say see you the next weekend, you'll say hasta el próximo fin de semana, hasta el próximo fin de semana. If you want to say take care, you'll say cuídate, cuídate. In this session we have learned greetings and farewells. Nos vemos en la próxima sesión. See you in the next session. Ciao.